generation and conduction of nerve impulse. So outside the sarcolemma it is positive charge, and inside the exoplasm, that is, you know, it is negative charge, it is negative ion. So inside it is high concentration of potassium plus and negative charged protein, and outside it is sodium, high concentration of sodium. Okay, and rest are just low, I mean low concentration of potassium outside it. Now these ionic gradients across the resting membrane are maintained by the, okay, so this line I already have read. Now come to this point. Okay, uh, this lead to a rapid, okay, when the stimulus, okay, so when a stimulus is applied at a site on the polarized membrane, the membrane at the site A becomes freely permeable to Na plus. Now this leads to a rapid influx of Na plus, followed by the reversible of polarity at the site. So that is, outer surface of the membrane becomes negatively charged and inner side becomes positively charged. Okay, now the polarity of the membrane at the site A is thus reversed, and hence it is depolarized. And what is the resting potential? What is the resting potential? You can see the electrical potential. Okay, the resting membrane. So this is the resting membrane. It is polarized in stage. Remember. So resting membrane in polarized stage. So when the stimulus is there, so it is depolarized. Now, thus the impulse generated at okay. So the rise in the stimulus induced permeability. So talking about now the stimulus. Okay, permeability to Na plus is extremely short lived. It is quickly followed by a rise in permeability of K plus. Now within a fraction of second, K diffuses outside. As the Na plus goes inside, so K diffuses outside immediately the membrane and restores the resting potential of the membrane at the site of excitation, and the fiber becomes more responsive to further stimulation. So this is how. And also there is sodium and potassium pump. It means like so when the sodium comes inside, it throws 3 Na outside to maintain the initial state, that is resting membrane. And here that line is what I am talking about. Okay, so when a neuron is not conducting any impulse, that is resting. Okay, the axonal membrane is completely more permeable to potassium ions and nearly impermeable to sodium ions. Remember this line. Okay, similarly the membrane is impermeable to negatively charged proteins present in the exoplasm. So this is why